Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Naval Torches game video. Today we're here in a game called Neo Warfare X. Now, I've played this before a bit, just so I could learn how to play it. And I'm going to do a sort of what aircraft can go here sort of thing. So my first attempt with this aircraft. It's quite small, and to be honest, I don't really like it. It's quite weird. There's some aircraft over there, and as usual, it's going to take off. Actually, no, it has not taken off in the time. Therefore, I'm going to crash it. Perfect. Right, we need an aircraft that can take off faster. So we'll go for an airliner. We'll go Canada, and we'll use the aircraft airliner. Why don't we do a German aircraft? Let's do the Fokker 100 deployment. I'm going to set the spawn point to at the end of the runway. Just there. Deploy. Right, there's the smoke from the crash site of the other aircraft. Just starting up the engines now. They're gone. Right, once this now we can go. Right, there we go, 100% throttle, we're going. I wouldn't class this as an aircraft that might be able to take off here, but who knows. Didn't even get to the end of the cliff before it could take off. Therefore, we're going to have to, unfortunately, cut the engines and engage in emergency landing that doesn't work that well. There we go. Wait, still alive. We'll just end the flight then. I will now go for... We'll go for a French aircraft. We'll go for the A320. I will change the color of that. No, that's the... We'll change the color of that to blue. And we'll deploy it there, just in the end. Let's hope it doesn't need a long runway, because it won't get one. Start up the engines. Hold down the brakes a little bit. Okay, now we'll go. Once again, we're out of the thing, so unfortunately, it's death time. Let's see if we can actually do a decent emergency landing. So let's pretend we've lost all power, apart from the brakes. We're incoming. Bringing it down slowly, and brakes. But of course it has to die, so we'll just turn it into the river. Wait. Okay, so this time I'm going to use something much faster. We will use a spacecraft, and we'll use a space shuttle. Deployment. We'll set the spawn right there. This has afterburners, so it should go quite quickly. I've just turned on the engines. I think they're ready already. I think we could just take off with just the afterburners, to be honest. Yeah, look. Oh, the afterburners go to 100% instantly. And forever. The most successful aircraft is apparently space shuttle. Now let's see if we can do a landing. Because it's going so fast. We'll just... Oh, we've just broken the speed of sound. Are you serious? Just turn off the... Oh, no. This is probably the worst approach ever. Brakes on. We're coming down. And that's crashed. Eh? I wasn't wrong. Let's see if we can at least get a tiny aircraft. What's the smallest aircraft I can find? Try the United Kingdom. We'll try this one. Why not? Might work. It's quite big, but it's... Then again, it's old, so we might not need that big of a runway. Right. That's the engine starting up. And I can already tell we're going to crash. Maybe not. We are airborne. Once again, propeller planes do not fail. I'm going to bring down the throttle a bit and we'll go in for an attempted landing. Just get a little bit away from the airfield. To the left, and then we'll do a very hard bank right. Right, so that's it, banked pretty much all the way around. The gear down, slow the throttle to below the 50% mark. We'll just put it just above the 50% mark so it can just stay airborne a bit. And we're coming in. And shut down engines. Oh. Judging by how quickly that stopped, we would have been able to do it anyway. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.